channel. Today we are strapping in for some more color. I have just been dying to get back in front of the camera, and I had some stuff pre-filmed, but I kind of need to get back on my game. And you know, I'm really excited to play with some things. So if you want to see me get glam, then just keep on watching. We're gonna take my favorite duo right now, the Farsali Skin Tune and the Unicorn Essence. Now that we're primed and ready to go, I'm gonna take some Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Now I'm gonna take some ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 12. I'm also gonna pop on my ABH foundation stick in Chestnut. Now I'm gonna take some Maybelline Fit Me Full Coverage Powder. This is in the shade 220. And I'm gonna set my under eyes and under my contour with this. And now for a little extra brightness, I'm gonna take the shade 102 and go along the sides of the nose, right in the center of the forehead, and right underneath all this. We're gonna take a little bit right in here. And I'm just gonna kind of lightly press over my contour. I don't wanna really set it too much. Excuse me. Now I'm gonna bronze with the ABH Tawny Bronzer. For blush, I'm gonna take the Cocktail Party Blush Trio from ABH. I'm gonna mix the red and the pink shade. I am not necessarily the most fair person, but I am pretty pale. And so using blushes that are red are a little bit hard. Like you see, that's already a lot. But I'm trying to have like a really blown out moment here. So just let me live my fantasy, please. I'm gonna prime my eyes with some ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm gonna take this bright blue eyeshadow on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start packing that on the inner corner.
Look.
What is that?
It fell off of my plant.
Now I'm gonna take this teal shade from the ColourPop palette, and we're gonna start kind of making that our transition. Now I'm gonna take a nice deep purple shade, and we're going to use that as our next color. Now I'm going to transition into a slightly lighter purple and just kind of pack that on the outer edge and kind of go up into the purple, and that'll kind of give us a better blend. Now we're going to do the same order on the lower lash line. We're gonna try these ColourPop mascaras one more time. Okay, so I used the yellow, and that one actually worked really well. I don't know if it was just something I was doing wrong with the pink, or I don't know, but this one is really cute. Now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild highlighter in Winter Falls in LA, and this was limited edition around Christmas time, and I'm a super fan of anything like crazy colored and bold, especially highlights. And this one has a gorgeous blue reflect. These plants are really trying it today. I'm also going to take a small amount of that on the tip of the nose. I don't like to overload this on the skin because it can leave like a little white cast, so we're just gonna put it on the nose and the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take some O for All of the Lights Glow. Now a little more for your prep and set to get this all locked in. And I'm just gonna lightly dab over the highlight to make sure it's really smooth. And do the same on the nose. Now I'm gonna take the Anastasia Dip Brow Gels in Ebony and the Brow Wiz in Ebony as well. And I'm going to do that off camera and pop on a quick lily lash, and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna take this Rimmel lip liner in Rose Quartz. And now I'm gonna take some ABH lipstick. This is in the shade Stripped. I forgot to put on the lashes. Now I also added a fun little yellow liner to match the lashes. Probably should have done that before I put the lashes on, but you know me, we always forget something. But this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to leave me a like or a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my other social medias, and I will see you on the next one.